Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to add a new role at the same company on LinkedIn. This is particularly useful when you've been promoted or moved to a different position within your organization, and you want to keep your career progression clearly documented on your profile. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct email and password associated with your LinkedIn profile. After you've successfully logged in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and name displayed there. Click on your profile to access your full LinkedIn page. This is where all your professional information, experience, and connections are displayed. Now that you're on your profile, scroll down through the page until you locate the Experience section. This section displays all your current and previous job positions, and it's where you'll be adding your new role. The Experience section is typically positioned below your About section and Featured Content. Once you've found the Experience section, look for the plus icon next to it and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with a couple of options. From this menu, select Add Role. This option is specifically designed for adding a new position at a company where you're already listed as working. A form will now appear on your screen. Start by inputting your new role title in the designated field. This should be your updated job title that reflects your new responsibilities. Next, select the employment type from the drop-down menu, whether it's full-time, part-time, contract, or another type. In the company field, make sure to input the same company name where you currently work. LinkedIn should recognize it from your existing experience entry, making it easy to link both roles together under the same organization. Here's an important step. Locate the checkbox that says End Current Position as of now, and make sure to check it for your previous role. This ensures that your timeline is accurate and shows when you transitioned from your old position to the new one. Next, input the start date for your new role. This should be the exact date when you officially began your new position. You can set the month and year to keep your profile timeline precise. If you'd like, you can also add additional details such as the location where you're working, the location type like on-site, remote, or hybrid, and a brief description of your new responsibilities. These details help visitors to your profile better understand your current role and what you do. Once you've filled in all the necessary information and double-checked everything for accuracy, click the Save button. LinkedIn will process your changes and update your profile accordingly. Give it a moment to save, and then you'll see your new role displayed in the Experience section alongside your previous position at the same company. And that's it. You've successfully added your new role at the same company on LinkedIn, keeping your professional profile up to date. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.